Hello student, in this video I am going to explain your math question paper of periodic assessment second, which is maximum 50 marks divided into 5 sections, that is section A, B, C, D and E. So the first question of section A, which contain 5 part of each 1 marks. Okay, so the question number 1 is trick the correct answer in each of the following. So each question we have given the 4 alternative option and we have to trick the correct answer. Okay, each of the following alternative options. So here the first part of question number 1, the area of which figure is given by product of diagonal. Okay, we have given 4 alternative: trapezium, kite, rectangle, parallelogram. So here the given option is not correct. Okay, so we have to add one more option only in question number first part of question number 1. Add option E, that is rhombus. Okay, and the next question, second, in the first quadrant we have given 4 alternative option, choose the correct option. In third, which of the following is an inverse variation? Here also given 4 alternative option, trick the correct option. Fourth part, water storage tank 5 meter long, 4 meter broad and 3 meter high. The amount of liter that is can hold. Okay, the amount of water liter that can hold. So by calculate the volume of water by using the formula. Okay, so we have to trick the correct option. And in fifth part, in cuboid all faces are square, triangle, trapezium, rectangle. So we have to trick the correct option. Now move to the section B. The question number second of section B, which contain 5 question, each 1 marks. Okay, so this is fill in the blanks. We have given 1 or 2 spaces, so we have to fill the correct value. Okay, in the given option. So the first part of question number 1, area of parallelogram. Okay, the area of parallelogram equal to, this is not 1 by 2 only, area of parallelogram equal to space into, again we have n space, so we have to fill in the spaces. Second, LBH be the length, breadth, height of a cuboid, then its whole surface area. Whole surface area means we have to ask total surface area. Okay. Third, LBH be the length, breadth and height of a cuboid, then its lateral surface area. Okay, means lateral surface area means we have to ask area for wall. The coordinate of origin. Okay, we have to fill over here. Fifth, A equal to P in bracket 1 plus, we have in blank spaces in numerator and denominator 100 over power n. Okay, so we know what is the comes in the given spaces. Okay, now move to the section C. So section C consists of 6 questions of each 2 marks. So question number 3 is, we have to ask a parallelogram has an area 56 centimeter square and base is equal to 7 centimeter. What is the height of parallelogram? Okay, so by using the formula of a parallelogram we have to find its height. Okay, question number 4, find the volume and surface area of a cuboid of length 10 centimeter, breadth 10 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. Okay, so in this question we have to ask their volume and surface area of a cuboid. Question number 5 of section C. If 42 kg of wheat cost रुपये 840, find the cost of 1 quintal. Here 1 quintal is given 100 kg. Okay, so we have to find the cost of 1 quintal and we have to given the cost of 42 kg of wheat equal to 840. Question number 6. Expand square root 3a, not whole, square root 3a. This is square root 3a plus root 2b whole square. Okay, we have to expand by using the identity a plus b whole square. Question number 7. Find the length of the diagonal of a square whose area is 2500 meter square. Give answer in term of square root 2. Okay, so here we have to cut the last statement, give the answer in term of root 2. Okay, only the question is only find the length of the diagonal of a square whose area is 2500 meter square. Okay, now move to the question number 8. Solve the crypt arithmetic puzzle. Okay, so here we have to solve the given arithmetic puzzle. Okay, now move to the section D. So section D consists of total 4 questions. Okay, total 4 question of each 4 marks. So here question number 9 is Ram do can a piece of work in 12 days. Amir can do the same work in 6 days. If they work together, in how many days will they finish the work? Okay, so we have to find in how many days will they finish the work together. Okay, question number 10 is how many cubical block of side 50 centimeter can be cut from a cubical block of wood of the side 1 meter. Clear? So we have to find by using the formula. Question number 11. Find the area of shaded portion, all measurement in centimeter. So here we have to ask find the area of shaded region. Okay, here figure is given and all measurement are given in centimeter. Okay, so we have to find area by using the proper formula of the figure where shaded area contains. Okay, question number 12 is there are 35 students in class where 20 are boys and 50 are girls. From these students, one is chosen at random. What is the probability that chosen student is boy or girl? So this question basically based on the probability. Okay, so we have to find the probability of the chosen student is boy and girl. The last section, that is section E, which is consist 4 question. Okay, each 4 marks. Okay, so the question number 13 is the side of equilateral triangle is 3 centimeter, its perimeter is 9 centimeter. Plot the graph of perimeter against the length of side with the side increasing at interval 2 centimeter. Read the graph and find out. So what will be the perimeter when the side is 8 centimeter? What will be the side when the perimeter is 15 centimeter? Okay, so we have to drawing the graph of the given information on the graph paper and we will find from the graph. We have to ask first and second part. Okay, question number 14. Construct a rectangle ABCD in which AB equal to 4.5 centimeter and AC equal to 7.5 centimeter And question number 15, a right circular cylinder has a height of 1 meter and radius 35 centimeter. Find its volume area, curved surface area and total area. Okay, so we have to find volume CSA and TSA of a right circular cylinder whose radius is given 1 meter and height is 1 meter and radius is 35 centimeter. And question number 16 is, this is last question, if x minus 1 upon x equal to 8, find the value of the first part x square plus 1 upon x square and second x पे power 4 plus 1 upon x पे power 4. So we have to find this value by using the proper formula. Okay, so this is the explanation of your question paper. I hope this is clear.